Alright guys, so here we are. We're going to start out with the EDC here, and then we'll move on to the rest of this gear. So first off, I'm going to go over the blades that I carry. I carry a lot. So usually in my belt, I'll carry this Tomahawk. This is I believe a custom throwing hawk from Crazy Crow Trading Post. It's pretty simple. It's also pretty cheap. I'll try to do this one-handed. My little duct tape sheath. So it's just a pretty simple Tomahawk, straight hickory handle. Throws pretty good. It chops actually pretty well. Doesn't have a pole on it, but the main reason I got this is so I could practice until my good Tomahawk gets here. Alright, next up is my belt knife. This is going to be the Jeff White bush knife, I believe. This one does not have the Pathfinder logo on it. I got it before they put that on there. But this is a really good knife. It has a convex grind, 5-inch blade, I believe. Don't quote me on that. Curly maple handles, and I think the blade is 1/8 of an inch thick. Pretty good sheath. Comes with. Haven't had any troubles with it. It's pretty strong. Comes with a ferro rod. So anyway, move on. Alright, next up in the EDC is just going to be a Leatherman. This is the Leatherman Super Tool 300. I'll usually carry this or the Swiss Army knife. I'm not sure which model it is, but I'll usually carry this if I'm going to be working in the mountains or doing stuff where I'm going to be needing a lot of tools. This is pretty comprehensive. I'm not going to name off all the tools. You could probably check it out on their website, or a lot of places sell that. Alright, the final blade is going to be my pocket knife. This is the Case Medium Stockman knife. It has 3 blades. It has kind of a general blade. It has a flat grinded, I mean not a flat grind, but a blade kind of that I use for pick, and that's what it was originally intended for. And then the third blade is kind of like a Nessimek style blade that I use for just, can I say that, pretty sharp for skinning. It was originally meant for castrating calves. So yeah, like I said, this isn't anything fancy. As you see, it's pretty small, but it works. It really does. Moving on from the blades, I'm going to go over these a little bit faster. I have a compass, just a necklace, that I usually carry around just for general direction. I just keep a cotton bandana. I'll switch out color sometime. I have a little tin of Brule Balm. This stuff is really good for a lot of things. Simple Bic lighter, and a waterproof tin of matches. So this was just the EDC, guys. I'll go on to the next scout kit here in a minute. That'll be the next video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and please subscribe. It'll really help out the channel. And we'll see you in the next one.